How does Google Recaptcha work? Now, there are three types of Google Recaptcha: Google Recaptcha V2, Google Recaptcha V3, and Invincible Recaptcha. The Google Recaptcha V2 is the usual one we usually see whenever we enter a website. That is, we are asked if you are not a robot, and we are asked to select certain things like bicycles or motorworks, or also drag an object or choose how an object should be, or also write down some words. Now, this is an old version of Google Recaptcha, but it's actually common because it checks for bots so that bots won't create fake accounts on a website. Now, the Google Recaptcha V3 uses your mouse movement or your typing speed to check whether you are a robot or not. Now, how does this work? When a robot moves a mouse, it moves it in a very straight line, while as a human, when you move a mouse, you move it in a very random motion, not actually in a very straight line. So how does the Invincible Recaptcha works? So whenever you enter a website that uses Invincible Recaptcha, your browser sends a request to the Recaptcha. Now, the Recaptcha uses your cookies, your mouse movement, and your IPs to check whether you're a robot or not. Now, you in the website will know that you are being checked whether you're a robot or not, since it's an Invincible Recaptcha. Now, we might not actually know if we have seen the Invincible Recaptcha or Recaptcha V3, but the most common one that usually frustrating is the Recaptcha V2, which is I'm not a robot, and you start clicking and selecting. Sometimes you actually fail it. Do you know about this Recaptcha before? If you do, tell me in the comment section. If you don't, tell me what you learned. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to know for more. Thank you.